DrivePay, and today we're going to be talking about voice-enabled credit card on wheels, which is going to be your car. Now, what we do with DrivePay is that we talk about the future of in-car payments, which will be at your fingertips in real time by voice authentication, and it'll be settled through your car's central console. Let's talk about the opportunity size. So, in India itself, in 2019, the fuel transactions were worth $91 billion, and the drive-through transaction was $6 billion. And what we're proposing is if Honda, by using a DrivePay wallet, gets even a 0.5% charge from the merchant, that's a market opportunity of roughly $485 million. Now let's talk about the current problems of in-car payments. So one is that customers need to take out their phones or use cash at every place that they need to pay. Especially with COVID out right now, the use of cash has really dwindled. And while paying with mobile, there are some cases where you need to scan a QR code or you need to tap your phone on the machine, and it's just not as convenient and not as distant as it can be. Second is that there's no integrated solution of in-car payments. Although Honda is working with Visa and some other companies to actually make a solution like it, nothing exists right now. And with our solution, we can integrate the current payment systems into the car. Now, second, it's pretty much the last piece of a connected car with in-car entertainment, Android Auto, and everything. You have pretty much every app, but one key functionality is paying through your car's console. Like, you can still make payments from your phone, but just not that piece yet. Now, let's talk about our solution. What we enable are direct payments from your car, and it's going to be secured by voice authentication. With our voice biometrics, you don't need to worry about security, and you can only focus on convenience. And as we spoke, you can use existing payment networks, and you add a layer of voice UI to make it all happen. Talking about the flowchart, at the center is the DrivePay cloud. This is where all the transaction data is stored and all the payment information is stored. So through DrivePay cloud and your existing Honda Alexa skill and your existing Honda Connect app, you can get all the transaction data. And second is your DrivePay cloud can fetch the OTP from your Honda Connect app, and you can use it to authenticate your credit card payments from your car console. Second is your DrivePay in your car console. So this gets all the payment information from your DrivePay cloud where the information will be secured, as well as the geolocation of where your car is, where your phone is, the proximity, and so on and so forth. Now, vendors will be signed up to the platform, and if you want to pay with your existing payment methods such as credit card, it's all possible. But for the mobile wallet, that's the DrivePay wallet in our case, we need to onboard vendors. And because we have a list of vendors, we can send wireless payment confirmation and get payment requests from them. Now, the advantages of our solution is, of course, it's much more convenient. There are no paper wastes, and the biggest thing is we get a post-sale revenue for Honda. So this revenue will be split into three parts. The major chunk will be the transaction fee. So we're suggesting a 0.5% platform fee for merchants. The other two streams are going to be from ads and reward points. So the way you encourage customers to use DrivePay wallet compared to their existing credit cards or something like that is through reward points itself. And these reward points again can gain Honda some post-sale revenue. Now, the technologies that we're using is that we've created a web app. Because web app is ubiquitous, you can put it on a car console, you can put it on a mobile, it's all possible. Then next is voice authentication and using of Alan AI. Hi, welcome to the demo of DrivePay. Here we're showcasing the future of car payments. It'll be all from your in-car wallet and through a voice assistant. So here we have a central console of a Honda car. So in the center we have a navigation which shows a big map of for the driver to know where they are. Then we have some stats such as distance, temperature, a to-do list for them to jot down their tasks, and also a recent payments feature. So it shows whatever recent transactions the person did, and it also showcases the use cases. So it can be drive-throughs, parking lots, fuel, and much more. But here we're just showcasing the top three. Then it's my friend Digvijay's car. So we have some other features such as notifications, user profile. We have a full page navigation also, which the driver can use to go around. And then we have a DrivePay page. All of this can be traversed through using our voice assistant Alan. Then in expenses, we can show a more detailed history of what all other expenses happened, their total, by wallet, by other methods, anything. So suppose we want to make a payment. We can invoke Alan and ask it to make the payment for us. Hi Alan, make a payment here of rupees 1000 from my DrivePay wallet. And just like that, we're now on the payment page. And just before we authenticate with our voice PIN, it shows us all the details. It detected where we are, close by which petrol pump, then the amount, and then the method, which is the DrivePay wallet. Now we have to just authenticate with the voice PIN. In this case, our voice PIN is 0420. So if we say anything other than that, it's going to give an error. Whereas if we say 0420, it's going to go ahead. My voice PIN is 2237. Zero 420. And as Alan said, our voice authentication is successful. And now that our payment is successful, we can go to the navigation. Go to navigation. Now talking about a team, we're a team of two, where I'm Ranadeep Singh and I have 3 years of industry experience along with experience of running a fintech startup in the domain of remittances. And Digvijay here, he is a junior in college, 3rd year, and he has a strong focus on web development and app development. Thank you for tuning in. You may contact us at the below given information. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.